Welcome back to days 10 and 11 of the Marks & Spencer's Home of Beauty Advent Calendar. Everything in here is worth over £300 and you can buy everything individually from M&S. It's a 2-in-1 day as I was struck down by a migraine, so I just didn't get to film or upload day 9 on time, so it's 2-in-1. The problem with this view, 11, is I can't see what's 10, beautiful. I was gonna say, I can't see what's right here, I know that's 24. This is very similar to day 9. It's a product I actually love and use. So we've got the shampoo and the conditioner. Amazing. Highly recommend Colour Out if you've not tried it before.